It's a day later here. Finally got some snow coming down, and down low enough that it's in town almost. So, you know, got the day off work. Might as well go check her out and film it. So here we go. Day 6, I think, or something like that. Well, since I'm going for a 2-hour rip today, I brought the girlfriend's dog so he wasn't sitting at home alone all day. George. And, hey, bud? You excited? The Brocs. What do you think? You ready? Okay. Down yet, but we just went and poked up there. And well, those tracks lead to a couple of retards stuck on the hill. And so now I gotta wait to go up because I'm not helping, and I don't really feel like getting hit by a Vancouverite that thought it would be a good fucking idea to drive 7 kilometers up steep bush roads in a fucking SUV. So fucking stupid. These car dealerships, man, they gotta stop telling people how capable cars are, because you still need to know how to drive it. Ooh, this could be interesting. Yep, as suspected, Subaru driver. Took him fucking 20 minutes to back down this hill, man. It's probably just fine. Jesus Christ. This kind of shit boils me. Because I come from a smaller town as it is, and then you see this every day up here. It's insane, man. Like, just stupidness. Yeah, just do a little tiny bit, eh? I think there's gonna be a decent amount of comfort now, maybe. Fresh tracks on the trail is always good. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. He wants to get on a big slide line. What do you think? Should I come down? Yeah. I'm just worried about what we saw the other day. What about the rest of it? Is it going to go, or is it held on? Okay. Alright, just clear the bottom so I can get the hell out of there fast. Yeah, just get out of the way. It's going to come down pretty quick, I think. Okay. Yeah, there's a fracture. Get the hell out of there. Huh. Well, the meter's safe. I kind of overreacted there, but that looks like a spot. Hey, come back here. I can't see in front of me. All about back control, baby. Oh, calf cramp. Oh. Ouch. I got a calf cramp. Put me on my ass. Fuck. Fucking hard, eh? Loaded in there. Okay, we stopped for a little film ski. Tried to give a comparison video before I do the old Ibex kit and exhaust. I'm so fired up to finally get my exhaust on. Been holding off to film a comparison video, so that'll be in a separate YouTube video. We're just gonna do short YouTube videos with reviews. I don't know if it'll be sled specific. That's kind of like a thing we're gonna attach to the YouTube just to give some more useful knowledge to just average people. The pros give good advice, but sometimes they're busy worried about other things like their careers and shit, and maybe that they don't understand people have zero athleticism. I don't know. It just, whatever. We're here. We're gonna go ride some more, and yeah. Do the same way this is just, it's kind of been nice just getting out a couple hours a day, hey? Yeah. Adam's a rodeo, man. Once again, my old truck. Wow, I'm making that sound really bad. Huh? I took it wrong. Oh no! I don't know why we're going up there. That's hairy. Anything to write home about? You lead the way. I don't know why Adam's so fucking loose, but kinda love it. That was just not my cup of tea at all, though. Either a fucking hill I said, started to worry about rocks there as I started to go to the left. Oh yeah. We're good. Good. We should okay, so like when we go down. Like this, can we go down and go that way to the trail? Is what I'm.
It gets pretty spicy.
Yeah.
But I've done it before. Some guy went down in this drainage last year, couldn't get out. I had to go down, ride his sled out, hike back down to grab my sled.
Yeah.
because it gets. But we can check it out right here, like.
Cause like where I went in last time, I just did a little fuck around and it was like right there.
It gets a bit drainage, but it's on the way. Might as well check it out.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. Oh, that ain't bad. Oh yeah, hey! If you want to come up it, I'll film you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can come up this. I don't know where I'm gonna end up, but.
Run? Don't hit any rocks? Just give me a radio before you go.
Okay.
We're ready for you. Wrong creek. He totally went up the wrong creek. Attaboy. This is some typical Frenchman shit. Just, I am going, and then wrong way. I can talk shit because I'm part French. I think I can. I can't speak French, but you know. I get this moment when he realizes. I think he realized. Buddy! You went out the wrong fucking... Yeah, you went out the wrong one. How was that one?
Good ride though.
Yeah, it sounded good.
That was fun.
Nice. Fuck, you better. It's a fresh creek, buddy. Alright, round number 2. Let's hope the camera does not freeze, because we are on limited time. So now he's just putting her in the creek to set himself up, but it's facing the wrong way, so we'll see. Ouch. I hope I got that. That fucking hit me. It's weird, man. It's stiff.
That's right there.
Yeah, let's just go right there.
Yeah.
I don't know where I tighten this up. It feels like shit now. This 509 seat though, I'll give it the 509. This onesie's pretty okay. For 2 rides, I don't have any complaints. Okay, we stayed for a beer. So now we get to do a little bit of night ride on the way home. Parting ways without him. He's gone down a different way. Bye. Let's I'm the only one. Oh no, somebody's following my track, so there's either more skid marks following my track or... What I don't like about being close to the city, it makes no sense. There's fucking human and dog foot tracks, but they only start halfway back there, and there's not like two, so it's not like they went up and came back down. It's like they were in the bush when I went by or something. It's so fucking weird, man. Yeah, now we're down the road again and they're fucking gone. Are there fucking ghosts out here or what? So trippy, man. I don't like it. Okay, here we are on the road. Looks like some townies tried to come up it. Way up on where I'm snowmobiling, there was a bunch of stuck marks, so hopefully the steeper hills coming up are safe, or I might be in for a wild ride, so stay tuned for that.